Christoph, the Dusty Trails 4x4 garage at the property, at the ranch. And we're just getting ready to tear up this floor so we could put some of that plywood down. We have Matt, the Destructor. We have Lorraine, the Destructor X. And we've managed to capture 3 gigantic rats in this place so far. And 1 little field mouse. It's amazing. More later. So what we discovered, there's a hole in the floor. And these things weren't put on very sturdy. So, yay. The process is happening.
To go on.
Well, with the efforts of Matthew and my tree cutting anti-zombie chainsaw and Lorraine trying not to fall in a hole, we managed to, well, make a hole.
Cut a big hole.
Cut a big hole. So now we gotta trim this off right here, trim it out, and make sure that that's all trimmed out and empty. And I think we're probably gonna have to cut this right here so that we can drop a 4x8 piece of sheet plywood right here. What do you think?
What?
What do you think? What?
Okay, that needs to be cut off.
I just said that. I just said that.
Don't, that's gonna cut it.
We're going to have to actually pull it up from under the wall. But she wants us to cut it. Trim it so that it fits flush up against there.
We're going to slide it underneath.
Yeah, how far does this panel go under the cabinet?
About 2 inches.
I'd say about 4 inches.
2, 4. Anyhow, so yeah, we're working on it. We're working on it.
Ah!
Alrighty. Matthew and I at Wunderbares, wonderful skill saw, cut this 4x8 chunk of flooring out, and now we're gonna mount some extra 2x4s across here, and then this way, so that there's extra support right there, so that that 300 frickin' pound, where is it? Where'd it go? There it is. It's in that box right there. That
Underneath all the fire bricks.
That 300 frickin' pound cast iron stove doesn't go through the floor, along with its 200 pounds worth of fire bricks. Whee! I still haven't figured out how to do that part yet, but you know, all things come with time, I suppose. Right now, we just got to prep the little brackets that I salvaged from the porch fire so that we can use them here. Who knows? Maybe we'll invite some happy ghosts to come and live here. All right, more in a bit. Okay, left to right. 22 in a corner. This is 22 and a half. I do believe this one's 22 and a half as well. 23. 23 and 3/8. 23 and a half.
And that was 23 and 5/8.
23 and 5/8. And this is Christoph talking to you from the hole. and putting up brackets so that we can put little 2x4 reinforcements across the way. And that's kind of where we're at right now. All right, so the little pieces that I'm gonna cut on what we're gonna cut. It's like 22, 23 inches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces right there. Should make this pretty weight resistant. Heard some big scraping noises earlier, and the place over there with the boat had someone dropping stuff off with a dump truck. Anyway, that's where we're at. We're going to come back tomorrow to do that. In the meantime, we're going to drop this, cover up the hole, and it's almost 4 o'clock, so we're going to call it quits for today, and we'll be back early tomorrow. Don't forget to check out our merch for Dusty Trails 4x4, and talk at y'all later.